In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font color in Yahoo Mail. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the color controls, how to apply them to new or existing messages, and a few best practices so your emails look clean and professional. Start by opening Yahoo Mail in your web browser and signing in. Once you're on your inbox, decide whether you want to start fresh or respond to a message. Click Compose to open a new email, or open an existing conversation and choose Reply if you want to change the font color as you write your response. Before you begin typing, make sure you're in Rich Text mode, which is the default setting that enables formatting. You'll know it's active if you can see a formatting toolbar at the bottom of the Compose window. If you don't see options like bold, italic, or font color, you're likely in plain text mode. Switch back to Rich Text so the color tools are available. Now, type your message as you normally would. If you already know which words you want to recolor, you can select the text first. If you want to set a color before typing, you can choose the color and then start entering your text, and it will automatically use that color. Next, look for the formatting toolbar at the bottom of the Compose area. Find the font color control, which appears as an A icon with a colored bar or a small color palette, sometimes shown as 3 colored dots. Click that icon to open the color picker. A palette will appear with a selection of colors you can apply immediately. Choose the color that best fits your message. The moment you select a color, your highlighted text will update right away. If no text is highlighted, the color you choose will apply to whatever you type next. If you change your mind, just select a new color from the same palette, or set it back to the default. As you continue writing, keep readability in mind. High contrast colors are easier to read, and using colors sparingly helps your emphasis stand out without overwhelming the reader. If you're replying within a long thread, highlight only the portions you want to change so you don't inadvertently recolor the entire conversation. When you're done, send your email as usual. Most modern email clients display colored text because they support HTML. If someone is using a plain text client, they'll still receive your message, just without the color formatting. That's all you need to change font color in Yahoo Mail. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.